Hello guys, welcome back to SaaS Ltd Deals. If you are new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button so that you never miss our exclusive uploads. So I'm back with another review, and today I'm going to talk about kites. So you may already know that currently there are so many people who are using mobile devices to browse through different websites, but the problem is most of the websites are not mobile friendly, and as a result businesses are losing potential customers a lot. So this is where a tool like kites come in. As you can see on their website, it creates interactive microsites for mobile marketing, which means it creates not exactly a whole website, but it creates microsites that are very similar to landing pages, and through those sites you can perform your mobile marketing super effectively. And on their website you can see some of the features of these kites. As you can see, there is a multimedia editor and it is totally no code, which means you do not have to know any coding to add any multimedia to your website. There are various templates, you can add interactive content, resources, you can also add customized link, keyword generators, social medias, resources, and there is even an analytical feature that lets you optimize your campaigns. You can also integrate kites into your CRM, and you can even this analytical feature to manage your leads. A great news is kites is now available on a lifetime deal at Appsumo, which means by paying only $19 you can get lifetime access to kites, and the regular pricing is $350. So at Appsumo you are saving around 95% of your money. Kites is an alternative to Bitly, Linktree and Unbounce. Now let's have a look at the features of this Appsumo deal. So as you can see, with kites you can have unlimited slides, which means unlimited pages on your microsite. You can also have global visit data, unlimited iFrame integrations, advanced analytics and so many other features. So these are the tiers that you can buy from Appsumo. So the license tier 1 costs $19 with 10 kites, published kites, which means websites. The tier 2 costs $59 with 50 websites, and the tier 3 costs $159, and the amount of website in this package is unlimited. There are some other tiers. As you can see, the highest tier is tier 5. So if you want to buy this Appsumo deal, make sure you check the link in the description below. Kites is also available on a subscription plan. So these are the yearly plans, and there are also some monthly plans. After you log into kites, you will get this dashboard or page, and from here you have to create your workspace. You can create that by clicking on this plus icon, and as you can see I have already one workspace created. So let's click on it, and then you have to choose a template for your landing page or your website. So as you can see, there are so many different types of templates, and you do not have to do any design manually because all of these templates have pre-made designs. So you can browse through all the categories on this left side. As you can see, there are different types of templates for your convenience. So let's choose this template, and then you can also preview this template on this page. As you can see, there are 2 slides on this page. This is a template about leaving feedback from customers. So let's use this template. After you use a template, you will have to give it a name. So let's keep it new kite 1, and then you have to choose the language for this template, and then you can simply click on continue. And one of the best features of kites is that it even lets you animate your background. As you can see, the background is animated and it is really amazing. You can also add sound to your kites, and you can also pause the background. So from here the editor is fully drag and drop. So if you want to change this text, you just have to click on it, and then as you can see on the right side, a box will open. You can also edit the text from here. You can edit the tags, you can also change the text styles, you can add shapes, you can also change the position, and if you do not want any animation, you can simply click on no animation and then remove animation. So now there is no animation, and if you want to add animation, you can see there are different types of animations such as this bounce, flash, pulse, and there are different types of animation that you can add. As you can see, there are so many, and then you can edit further. For example, you can edit these images. If you do not want to use them, you can simply upload your one. You can also crop them, you can cover them properly, you can change the opacity, background color, border, position, and there are also so many functionalities on this kites editor. If you click on this next slide, from this drop down menu, as you can see, there are different types of functionalities that you can use on this kites microsite. And on the left side you can see there are currently 2 slides, which means 2 pages, and this is the web URL of your kites page. So let's go to it, and as you can see, this is our website. So let's change something. Let's change this text to hello. So let's skip this one, and then we can preview this. So let's see the preview. As you can see, the text has been changed. So this way you can modify your text, you can modify the images, and there is another slide. You have to click on this. As you can see, this is another slide. So if you want to change the settings of that second slide, you have to go to this 2 slide, and as you can see, it has appeared. So from here you can change these stars, the text, these boxes, even this button. And as you can see, this is the video background, the color background, the image background. So there are different types of background that you can add. For example, I have added this image background. Now let's see the page once again, and as you can see, the background has changed. If you want to add one more slide, you have to click on this plus icon, and then you have to choose if you want to add images or videos. So there are images, videos, link in bio templates, and then there are some other templates. Now on the top of the dashboard, you can see the link settings. So from here you can add custom links to your website. So if you do not want to use the web URL that has been provided by Kites on default, you can also change that. And for that, first you have to click on this add or edit domain, then you have to click on add your own subdomain, and then you can change that from here. You can also change the Kite subdomain. For example, I want it to be elite22. So let's save it, and now from here let's choose it, and then you have to choose a path. So as you can see, this way you can change the custom link of your Kites website. There is the statistics section, and from here you can get a very detailed analytics about your website, such as visits, bounce rate, sessions, average sessions, slides, average slides, and so many other types of statistics. You can also share your Kite website directly from here. You can also integrate this microsite directly to your actual website. As you can see, these are some of the options for that. And then there is the setup option. So from here you can change some settings such as the style, branding, website details, meta information, and so on. So overall, I think Kites is an excellent website builder. And it is not exactly a website builder, it is more of a microsite builder or a landing page builder, and it does that job pretty well. It builds you a landing page, and in that page you can host your links, your social media links or contact forms and things like that. And the best part about this Kites tool is that it lets you optimize every inch of your microsite, which is amazing. So if you want to buy this Appsumo deal, make sure you check the link in the description below. And these are the features that are available with this Kites Appsumo deal, and these are some of the tiers that you can buy from Appsumo. So that's it for our today's video. If you have found the video to be helpful, make sure you hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for our next videos.